Let us discuss this example. So here we have to find the value of line integral of f, scalar field f, over a given curve C. So they have mentioned here the function f of xyz, which is defined as 2x plus 9z. They have mentioned a curve C, okay. They are defined in this way: x of t is equal to t, y of t is equal to t square, and z of t is equal to t cube. As well as they have mentioned the limits of t also. T varies from 0 to 1. So see, in solution I have written the given information first, the given function f, and the parameterization of C is, I will call it as alpha. Alpha defined from close interval 0, 1 to R3 I am writing, because they have mentioned the limits of t is 0 and 1. So that's why I wrote in this way. Defined as, alpha of t is equal to first component x. What have they mentioned? It is t. Second component they have mentioned t square. Third component is t cube. So we have a parameterization. After that we will work on basic things and then we will go for actual integral. First of all, we will find their derivatives. Alpha dash of t. So derivative of t is 1, derivative of t square is 2t, derivative of t cube is 3t square. After that we will find their norm. You know well how to find norm by taking square root. Square of first is 1, square of second is 4t square, square of third is 9t raised to 4. So this is norm of alpha dash of t. As well as we are interested in f of alpha of t. Let us find it also. Now f of alpha of t, which is equal to f of, we will put the value of alpha of t, that is nothing but t square t cube. After that we have to operate f on it. What is definition of f? 2x plus 9z, that means 2 into first component plus 9 into third component. So that's why 2 into t plus 9 into z means here t cube. So we have all basic things. So let us start to calculate line integral. Then integration of f over c is equal to 0 to 1, since alpha is defined from close interval 0, 1, defined on close interval 0, 1. So f of alpha of t norm alpha dash of t dt. So this is equal to 0, 1. F of alpha of t, what is its value? Its value is 2t plus 9t cube into norm alpha dash of t. We have got it as root 1 plus 4t square plus 9t raised to 4 dt. Okay, so we cannot solve this problem directly. There is a need of substitution. So see what I'm going to put. Normally what we put, whatever we have inside square root or as in a power or as an angle, then we put it and we try to bring its derivative there. I will try to do the same. So 1 plus 4t square plus 9t raised to 4, I am putting it as u, since it is in square root, no, so it's difficult to calculate its integral. Let us go further, but there is no more space to solve. Make a screenshot of it and then we'll go further. After putting anything, our first task is to find its derivative. Let us find its derivative first. What will be its derivative? Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of 4t square is 8t plus next derivative is 36t cube dt is equal to du. See what I am going to do? I am going to divide both sides by 4. What will happen if I divide both sides by 4? 2t plus 9t cube dt is equal to du by 4. Fortunately, this bracket is available here. So this bracket into dt, we can replace it by du. Second task is to find limits for t is equal to 0 and for t is equal to 1. Let us find the value of u. If I put t is equal to 0 here, 1 plus 0 plus 0, that means u is 1. If I put t is equal to 1 here, 1 square, 1 cube, all of them are 1. So 1 plus 4 plus 9, so it is 14. So limits are 1 to 14. So therefore, integration of f over c is 1 to 14 square root of u, right? This is our u, and this bracket into dt, that is nothing but du by 4. Let me remove this part, it is not required now. Okay, so this 1 by 4 is a constant, will come outside. And what is integration of root u? It is u raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, 1 to 14. Okay, see this 3 by 2 is a constant, will come outside. 2 will get cancelled. We will have simply 1 by 6, u raised to 3 by 2, 1 and 14 limits. Okay, you know that for always we put upper limit first. So if I put upper limit 14 raised to 3 by 2, and if I put 1 raised to anything 1. So this is a required answer. Make a screenshot of it. After that we will stop. Thank you. Bye bye.